So today's video is going to be a walkthrough review of the ToCode or ToCode bag. It is the ToCode Turnant laptop backpack. But before I start opening the bag, I just want to get this out of the way that I do like this bag. I recommend it. And I think it's really interesting because it has all these little compartments, which I think makes the bag really interesting, and I get happy with it. But I also really love how it looks. So that's the final thing. So let's get into the little details of everything. The thing about this design that I really liked is it's a little more square structure. It's like a school bag. It's not necessarily something that I would carry all my camera gear in and go crazy, but it would be really nice with one of my nicer outfits or something like that. But it's really like just a casual, clean style, a more minimalist style as far as clean lines and color. We have 3 major compartments and then a couple little like sweet little interesting things, which I really like. So when you look at the outside here, you'll have this major square compartment that I just packed this with like normal, like what would be in my other bag, like if I loaded it up. So just, you know, like little like cloth or something. And then I had some like earbuds. These are awesome Jaybirds. And then just like some wires and like gum. I don't even know what else there is here. Oh, more work stuff of like wires and some floss and toothbrush, stuff like that. Pretty straightforward. Its compartment is pretty significant size. I could fit like a small camera in there, or, you know, a little thing here. Then you have this like mesh thing so you can see. I just jammed like some gum in there. I guess I have horrible breath or something by the looks of this. Gum, toothpaste, whatever. But yes, take care of your mouth. It's important. So there's the mesh thing, so that's nice. So that just alone, the front compartment's pretty cool because you have the 2 compartments here, a folding thing, the main one, and a mesh, all just in one. And then right outside that, we have this little other compartment, which is perfect for like my sunglasses. You throw your phone in there, something that's really easy to access. So that's the outside compartment. This is what it looks like from the side. We have this USB thing here for your charging. I don't own a USB block, so I wouldn't know how to use that, but I think it's just an extension. So this is the big compartment, and again, cool little compartments. So we have two more mesh little sleeves here, and water fits in there just fine. I put a lens in there just to see like how's it feel in the weight, and it's fine on the shoulders, all that business. So I just kept loading it up, like Gorilla Pod stuff, and then it's probably about that wide inside. Then you have this little tab here if you look at it from this point of view, and I just think it was perfect for headphones. So I wanted to see if my QC35s fit in there, and they do. Perfect. So that's the main one. That's like the one that I would dig in and out the most. Really great for just organization, stuff like that. And then inside here is that cord that goes to the charging block, or I think. I don't really know how that works. Sorry guys, but just jam that into that fold. It goes into a little fold when you're not using it. And then we have, let's just talk about real quick while I'm opening this up. The zipper tabs are really strong. Those are not gonna break. These are super comfortable to the touch too. There's like a little coating on them. They're really nice. I just dig it. So the material's really comfy too, and it feels like a little water resistant. So I don't know if it is or not, but so it feels. You guys are wondering probably, will this fit your laptop? It's pretty significant laptop sleeve. I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro. I think it's from like 2013 or something. I have no idea, but that fits in there fine. And then I just have like some book. This is a good book, by the way, and that would be for more like tablets, but I don't own a tablet, so I can't test that out. That side's pretty significantly simple. It's really easy. The texture is pretty basic, but it's not cheap. It feels good to the touch. And then we have the back. The coolest little thing I found way later. Under this like seatbelt looking thing, there's this little compartment here, and we just have like a little secret space for things like notepads and passport, whatever. But it's cool because it also just kind of covers itself up when not in use, so it doesn't poke you or anything. And the back is super soft. So it's, again, I think it's really aimed for a cleaner style. See this like handle? Seems cool at first. It's fine. But as soon as you put it on, you can see it like rests right on your neck. And it's soft, so it's probably fine, but I'm definitely gonna cut it off and just kind of, because it does, just presses right against the back of the neck. So it's a really weird placement. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to do some B-roll. Definitely not my favorite part of the design. I would totally cut that off. And if I do, I don't think it'll look that weird, but I think the design is clean enough, so it'll be fine. I'll be wicked careful with it. That's it. That's the only gripe I have about it. I like the size. I think it's cool. It's perfect for if you're a person who just brings your laptop around and some stuff like books, and I don't even know. But it's a school bag where you put stuff in it. So whatever. I hope this helps you guys out if you were searching this company. Totally awesome company to work with. The bag is awesome. It's pretty affordable, so it's not something that's like that crazy of an investment. You'll be happy with it. It should last a long time. The zippers feel good. Everything feels good. It's thumbs up. All right, that's it. Till next time. Over.